Make-believe whiteboard. Right here we have 3 colors. These are all custom colors that we painted. This is not a wrapped paint, as you can see. There's a customer from Texas. He sent us his Rolls-Royce Cullinan. He wants to do a full color change on the outside and the interior. He wants the outside to match the interior. Right now the car is gray with red interior, and he wants to do one of these. So he sent us a picture of a color idea he had, and we went ahead and we made 3 different variations. As you can see, this is like a dark turquoise, this is like a medium, and this is a lighter turquoise. So we made these 3 samples right here with our own custom formula. So we're going to be able to offer our own custom formula paint colors. We're going to be doing that more and more lately. We're going to be making more different colors. But right now we're going to actually package this up. We're going to ship it to Texas. He's going to choose which one. We have labels on them, 1, 2, 3, and he's going to let us know so we can prepare the paint. Then we're going to actually strip the entire Cullinan. It's a brand new black badge Cullinan actually, and we're going to paint the whole exterior, and we're going to make the whole interior the same color. So this is going to be a project that's going to take about 2 months or so. This is the first step. We're going to choose the color, and like I said, the customer's in another state, and we're able to send them samples. You could choose, so it's going to be perfect. And yeah, complete custom color. It's not going to be a color by Rolls-Royce or anything. It's going to be our own custom color.
Please, open the door. Somebody kicked me out and don't let me go in. Please, Javier. Thank you. Thank you, Javier. You're love, vato. Thank you. Me dejaron afuera esta gente, man. What happened? Somebody stole my people. Oh, Sarkis. Sarkis. What happened up there? Well, I knocked the door a lot of times. You don't open the door. Why? You don't want to let me go in? Why you close the door? No answer?
Look, he's watching YouTube.
Oh, yeah. He's busy today.
2 Volkswagen Racing. Is it? You like 2 Volkswagen, Porsche, and Lamborghini.
Yeah. Because later he can explain to the customers what about the cars, you know.
What's the good stuff about
About the engine, he knows a lot.
Yeah.
About the body, he knows a lot.
Yeah.
BMWs.
With my 2 assistants.
I'm the hardest
Well, this
worker.
one doesn't do anything here.
I'm the hardest worker. Everything you see in the shop, I run.
You know, first of all, go post your NBA 2K losses to Moses, because that's all you're doing.
We can
playing
even get
NBA
a
2K.
t-shirt.
I made a mistake getting a PS5. Anyways, he's banned now from that. Don't you have a uniform?
Huh?
Anyways,
What kind
ever
of
since
uniform?
he became a YouTube star, he has his own outfit now. He doesn't wear his uniform anymore. Okay, so he's playing with tape currently, and this SVJ is almost done. Look at this color, custom color. This is a custom satin blue we came up with. It's a rich royal blue. We didn't like any of the wrap colors out there. So once again, we made our own, and it's going on this SVJ. As you can see, this SVJ has more carbon than any SVJ I've seen personally. The entire pillar, roof, everything is carbon fiber. So this one, just like the other one, which is behind us there, full RDB signature exhaust system, VF engineering tune on it, and custom wheels. This one's getting white wheels on it. Super excited about these wheels. Very retro style. It's gonna look very different. And this customer is Greek, so he wanted to put, there he is with the wheel he's showing you guys. and now he's gonna get a hernia. So basically, we're gonna plaster on Greek colored flag stickers all over it. We made the SVJ sticker with Greek colors on it, and also the Italian sticker that is usually on the side of it. We changed that to the Greek flag as well. So really cool color combination, and we're gonna finish up the bad boy right now. Javier put the whole exhaust system on there. The ECU is coming back from VF, and then we're gonna actually film both SVJs together. So stay tuned.
Ajá, los dos carros, papá, al ratito los vas a ver ahí, ve, en YouTube. Simón, vato. Yo continúo aquí porque este vato, pélame. Vas a ver los stickers del mismo color. No, ya no. Hoy son diferente color, papá. I make sense? I sound like a big? Ese big está loco, man. Hey, país smart, man. ¡Chingados! Vamos a poner esto, homito. Un cocodrilo pintando. If you need any help in your house, we can come to you, and but if you pay,
How much do you charge?
maybe $8 per hour.
$8.
Well, it's too much.
That's pretty good.
With that $8 per hour, with that money, I can pay my helper. The landlords, they don't like us paying too much pain. Yeah. 1 gallon for 4 bedrooms.
All right, we have the maximum wrapped up computer here. We just got the computer back from VF. They just dyno tuned the other SVJ with our signature exhaust system, and now this computer, they're able to just bench flash it with that same file because it is the same setup. So now we're gonna throw this bad boy back on. This actually goes under there, which is crazy. Goes right above the wheel. So gonna put that back in. Javier's buttoning everything up, and we're gonna take the 2 SVJs out.
I told you, I have a better taste.
I wish the Rolls Royce had a grill. Yeah, but none of them have. That's the only one that doesn't have a hood.
Yeah, because we're
All
working on
the
it.
cars are-
So it's gonna be package.
So here we have a package. No, but you get what I'm saying? Like that's done, that's about to
But
get
this
worked on.
is not done.
And this one is incomplete.
Yes, this is done. This is we're working on it, and this two we're gonna do like a. So Ferrari we're gonna wrap it, wheel. Same thing with the Porsche. We're gonna put wheels and wrap it. So it's gonna be crazy. So this shoe is not done. This shoe is pending, and this is done.
Alright guys, so we finished her up, but unfortunately for your viewing pleasure, we are unable to shoot more of it because it's getting dark outside. Our staff left us here alone and we're unable to finish it and shoot it. So we're gonna be shooting it for the next episode. Next episode, you guys are gonna see this thing fully in action. It's gonna look crazy. The customer did come pick up the other SVJ, so he's very happy with that. We also got this SF90 in right now. And it's a black SF90. Next episode, you're gonna see that with wheels as well. So yeah, lots more action in the next episode. But as you already know, this is a real shop. We're working on cars, so sometimes scheduling doesn't fit in. So we're trying our best to accommodate to that. But yeah, next episode, check out this SVJ, check out this SF90, and even more stuff.
We have a Lambo SVJ expensive Volkswagen. We have a Porsche GT3 RS expensive Volkswagen. We have the Ferrari F8 Spider King. Royce Raid BMW.
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford, but that's the price I